Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex and at the moment I'm here at Ihaw at ako somewhere in Novaliches, Quezon City and while waiting for our order, ayan, meron tayong i-unbox tonight. So hindi lang isang NFT game guys yung i-feature natin sa video na to. This is something more than that. And our sponsor comes from London. And I'm so excited to open this with you. Fresh from DHL pa siya. Kanina ko lang nakuha. So, let's try have a look. Ayan, finally. Okay, gamitan ulit natin ang susi. Ay, ang nipis pala. Oh, it looks very sophisticated. I really love the color. I'm a fan of purple. Anyway, shout out kay Katropa. I know she also likes purple. Oh my god! Tada! Wait, tanggalin muna natin yung box. Actually, meron pa akong isa dito. This is for giveaway. So, itong bubuksan ko is just my own. So, yung ating developer guys is the ZMBIZI Labs. They are from London. So this is a European brand, no? And then they already have an app on Play Store. You can search it and you can also download it. The app is ZMBIZI. I will also share the link with you in the description box of this video. And then their cell phone brand is named ZMBIZI. Ayan. So, yung CEO natin dito is si Alpesh Patel. You can also read his bio. I will also add that in the description box of this video. Pasensya na kayo sa ingay because we are in the public area. So, ayun, na-open na natin yung cellphone. Oh. So, same lang siya, standard size. And then, makikita nyo yung logo ng ating brand. It's ZMBIZI. Ayan, makikita nyo. Ayan. And, all sealed pa siya. Ayan. And then, try natin i-open if now open na siya. Or, nandito pa ata yung kanyang battery. First time kong magka-phone. Oh, there is a message here coming from African proverb. Ayan. Kung babasahin nyo, if you think you are too small to make a difference, you haven't spent the night with a mosquito. Yeah, small but terrible nga naman yung mga lamok-lamok yan. Oh, I love this. Very thoughtful, guys. And then, inside, ang ganda talaga ng box nila. As in, it's different from the usual Android phones na binibili ko. Ito yung charger. Ayan. Charger din. Cord and headset. And may case na siya. Tapos, yung ganda ng tempered glass. Ayan. Panglinis. So, aral-aralin na natin tempered glass. And may manual din, guys, yung phone natin. And para sa SIM card. So, dual SIM siya, guys. Updated rin yung kanyang specs. And yeah, I guess that's it sa box. Wala na ba? Wala na. That's it. So, let's try check what's inside. So, what you're going to do, start. Ayun. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. Para siyang Dream Ventures din, guys. Diba, Dream Ventures, our logo is the moon and the stars. So, ito siya. Even the color violet din. So, same. And anyway, this is the billboard. Later on, I will show you the features of the cell phone and also of their app over here. Wala pa tayong internet, so hindi pa natin ma-explore yung app nila. But anyway, kain muna kami. Bye! Okay, finally, natapos na rin ang ating dinner at ihaw at ako. And now, we're going to explore the features of this first ever Web3 mobile phone powered by BIZI Labs. And then, yung kanyang brand, guys, is ZMBIZI based in London. So anyway, I just want to introduce to you to their website. Meron na silang website, bizilabs.io. You can check that one. And then, you can try explore here to get some information about this mobile phone. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, so this is the screen, guys, of the ZMBIZI phone. Anyway, ito yung likod niya. Kung makikita nyo, medyo nakikita yung board niya sa loob. Yan, and then the brand. Tapos, 4 yung camera niya sa likod. 64MP quad cam na rin siya. Ayan. So, ito yung kanyang screen. And as you can see, sobrang ganda ng wallpaper. Sobrang ganda. And I just love the wallpaper because, you know, it's kinda related kay Dream Ventures. Anyway, meron siyang automatic na bilog dito sa gitna. This is actually the billboard of ZMBIZI or BIZI app, no? So, dito makikita ninyo yung mga partners ni ZMBIZI, like hotels.com, laptop.com, Binance, ayan, Amazon, and then click the icon to access Web3. So, ituturo ka niya sa icon na to, which is the BIZI app. Ayan. So, makikita ninyo yung homepage ng BIZI app. So, this is also a regular phone. Android siya, guys. Ayan, makikita niyo yung mga apps. Kompleto na siya. Nag-download na rin ako ng Gcash, Foodpanda, Grab, ayan. Kasi gagawin ko rin siyang personal phone. Hindi ko lang matest pa yung camera niya at the moment kasi gabi na. It's already 2 a.m. So, better if we try the camera in the morning. So, anyway, kapag may mga partners si BIZI, dito nila ilalagay sa billboard na to. Ayan. Built-in na siya, guys, na billboard. And then here, let's try to explore the features of the app. Anyway, you can download their app on Play Store. So, search nyo lang. Search nyo lang, guys, BIZI. And then make sure that it is powered by BIZI Labs. Ayan. So, install nyo lang. So, bagong-bago pa siya, guys. Kami pa lang yung pinaka-first na unang nag-try ng kanilang app. So, try na natin open yung kanilang app. Sorry. So, no more dashboard wherein you can find, diba, yung purpose naman ng dashboard is for you to see your wallets, kung magkano na yung assets mo, kung ano-ano yung assets mo. So, instead of having your own dashboard, meron ka na ditong wallets and then you can connect your MetaMask, your Trust Wallet, or Coinbase wallet. So, para siyang one-stop hub na application. And this is not just for Web3, they are also looking at Web2 na market. So here, blockchains, makikita ninyo yung partner blockchains nila. We have the Polygon, Binance, Boba, and Casper. So if you are a fan of Polygon, pwede kang mag-click ng Polygon and then you will see here the different apps launched in Polygon. Nakakategorize na rin siya, guys. Depende siya sa interest mo. Kung mahilig ka ba sa finance, education, entertainment, ayan, medyo kulang pa yung mga apps na nandito, but there will be more apps or platforms that will be added here. Ayan. So, may mga upgrades lang na mangyayari. Sa Binance naman, ayan, makikita nyo yung Finance, ApeSwap, PancakeSwap, entertainment. So, magdadagdag pa dyan ng more platforms. And then, again, wallets, dito makikita yung assets mo. Even the NFT assets that you have, you can also find them here. So, ito naman yung shop niya. Ayan, makikita niyo yung partner shops like Adidas, Expedia, Nike, ayan. And we're also planning to partner with Lazada, Shopee, and the other, you know, regular or mga common platforms that we use every day. And then search. So here we have the Brave, if you're familiar with Brave. So every time naman na ginagamit niyo yung browser, you earn crypto, and then Sipana. Tapos share, this is like a social platform. Yan. So, here you can do some socialization, social-fi siya, yung share. Then, gaming. So, you have here different games. More NFT games will be added here. Ayan. May mga partnerships pa silang kinakausap at the moment. And then, exchanges. So, CEX, DEX, and yung Binance, PancakeSwap, ayan. So, you can find them all here. And then markets. So, more on launchpads siya or NFT markets where you can buy assets or NFTs. And you can also see here the billboard. Kanina wala siya.
Ngayon lang, nung nag-load na, mahina connection. So, yan pa lang guys yung meron sa app nila, and still under development pa yung full features ng application nila. But the good thing is, they have started already developing their app, and at the same time, meron din silang mobile phone. Yan, diba? Very amazing. Web3 mobile phone, guys. And I really love it. Ayan, meron pa tayong isang box dito, by the way. So, para naman to sa ating pag-giveaway. If you wanna join the giveaway, guys, just click the description box. And then, just check the description box and click the link there for the giveaway. Okay, so this time, let's try to talk about naman the benefits that we get out of the cell phone or out of the app that they are developing.
I have here some information that will explain what BZ Labs aim to do in the Web3 space. So we have here, feel good about yourself. What you have, you can take with you, right? So why not make a difference? So let's get 1 billion people paid. So this is the problem today. In Web3, 90% of the projects have no real user case. The Web3 experience on mobile is also very poor. As you can observe naman guys, sobrang dami ngayon mga mga web platforms lang, walang masyadong mobile apps. And it's limiting those people who are interested in learning more about the Web3 kaso wala silang mga PC, mobile phones lang. So good thing about BZ is they are accessible already on mobile phones. So why now? A handful of companies make trillions of dollars in revenues and profits. How much do they give back to the user? Nothing. It is time to change that. Ayan. So user-friendly siya guys. Consumer-friendly. So how are they going to do it? They will reward users with utility tokens for their screen interactions, like example, shopping, sharing, searching. Tokens earned are then used to pay phone bills and other utilities. So later, I will show you the utility of their token. Ay, pwede naman ngayon na. Okay, so ito yung kanyang token utility, guys. Members of our BZ community will acquire the native token as an incentive by simply by being part of the ecosystem. This will kickstart your accumulation of BZ utility tokens. Additionally, tokens will be accumulated by rewarding app and app usage, active usage siya, rewarding mobile phone usage or passive usage, exchanging BZ tokens to fiat or other popular tokens, and transfer of tokens from one member to another. And then once the tokens are accumulated, they can be used for staking. I know you are familiar with staking already. Getting VIP tickets for special physical and metaverse events. And we have a lot of upcoming campaigns, guys, with BZ, and hopefully you will support our community. All you have to do is just connect to our Twitter, to our Discord, and our Facebook accounts. Anyway, just to inform you, Dream Ventures is the community incubator of BZ, so hopefully you will really support our project. And also, we will have free raffle entries, exclusive discounts for shopping, traveling, and entertainment from vendors, exchanging BZ tokens for other tokens, using DX, CX, or AMM, redeeming BZ tokens for fiat currency or country-specific governance voting, and paying for your phone or utilities bill. The BZ token is an ERC20 token on the Polygon network, so good thing guys kasi sobrang mura ng gas fee sa Polygon. The BZebra NFT is an ERC721 token on the Polygon network. So they will also have NFT, guys. So yung mga owner ng cellphone, they will have their own NFT called BZebra. So zebra yung parang symbol nila dito na or character nila. So the BZ tokens have added utility within the BZ app where users are able to both use their tokens socially or financially. So sa mga nagtatanong, do you have to buy their cell phone for you to access the app? The answer is no. Okay, you can just download the app anytime through your mobile phone, kahit anong brand pa yan. Pero wala pa ata siya ngayon sa app sa mga iOS users. So sa mga Android users pa lang siya available. The good thing about owning this Web3 mobile phone by BIZI is that you will be one of the first or the early owners of this Web3 mobile phone. And also, this is European brand. Very sophisticated talaga yung box nila. There is thoughtfulness and built-in na rin guys yung kanilang billboard as well as the BIZI app. And of course, you will get your own NFT. Okay, so let's go back how we do it. So who are they? They are Swiss-based curated software, hardware, mobile Web3 ecosystem with a sole mission to uplift 1 billion people and their communities. And I would like to give you some information about the CEO. This is his profile, Alpesh Patel. So he is an award-winning global entrepreneur and has been featured in more than 50 media outlets including CNN, CNBC, BBC, Forbes, GQ, and Huffington Post. So in 2007, he founded the first African tech mobile hardware startup, Mi Phone, and OJU, the world's first Afro emoticon character brand. So yan guys, talagang in this kind of industry talaga si Alpesh. Anyway, going back, so when the hardware product is built and final software is in development. So ito nga yung phone, meron na tayo. And then launching the world's first mass market Web3 smartphone and downloadable app by late 2022. So quarter 4 2022, meron na silang app talaga doon sa Play Store. Ngayong 2023 lang nila ipapublic. And then where? So for phase 1, their target market are USA, Africa, and Latin America. And then 4 billion mobile Android OS users who will upgrade from 4G to 5G by 2025 kasi sooner or later, we're really going to upgrade to 5G. Ayan, so join our journey with BIZI Labs. So again, before we end this video, if you're interested and if you wanna win our Web3 mobile phone giveaway, just click the link in the description box of this video and be one of the lucky winners for this mobile phone. That's it. And of course, we have mystery items for our winners as well. Okay guys, so again, if you want to get updated about BIZI Labs, just connect to our socials. We have our Twitter, Facebook, and our Discord community. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for you to get updated every time I have a new video on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye!